Welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? This is Mrs Vee. In today's video, I'm going to be hosting a vision board challenge. What's your vision? Do you have 2020 vision? I do. So what you're looking at right here is my vision board for 2019. I'm going to update this. This is just a cork board that is on the back of my craft room door. I feel like this is the best place because this is where I really come and meditate and just really focus on life. So I'm going to remove all this and show you what my vision is for 2020. I'll start out with a clean slate for the new year. So got a clean cork board. You see I had some spots, some things that didn't want to come off, but anyway, sometimes you just have to be a little aggressive. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started with our 2020 vision board. Alright, we're gonna get started with our vision board. We got the 2020 vision board. 2020 vision. And my focus for this year is self-love. And the S stands for, I'm gonna be getting more sleep. And the E, I'm going to be embracing change, because without change you cannot grow. Remember that, people. Without change you cannot grow. So I'm going to be embracing it, whether it feels good or not, because some changes are necessary. And the L is going to be for less stress. Anything that stresses me out, if I'm able, I will remove myself from the situation, and I'm going to do things to de-stress me. I like to light a candle, take warm baths, of course meditate, talk to God, that kind of thing. And the F is going to be get more serious about family night, because guess what, people, that's very important, making memories. I had this on the last two boards and I was not diligent with it, but I'm going to be diligent this year, I promise you. So that's self. And the love is going to be also with family night is loved ones. Making sure I check on my loved ones, whether they call me or not, because I can only control what I do. Can't worry about somebody else. And the O is for obey God, because He has told me to do some things that I have not done yet. So I plan to obey God. And the V is for value my time, because time is very important. So I'm not going to be doing anything that's a waste of time as far as social media. I put myself on a schedule. I have 2 hours a day or an hour a day to network and keep in touch with you guys, but I'm going to be putting myself on a schedule. I'm not going to be on social media all day like I do sometimes, because that's not what's important right now in my life. And the last thing about self-love is I'm going to enjoy the moments, because guess what, people, we are only promised the moment. We're not promised the next hour. We're not promised tomorrow. We're not promised next month. So I'm enjoying moments, whether I'm in a situation that's uneasy or doesn't feel good. I'm still going to enjoy the moment, because guess what, if something is going on with you, God ordained it to happen for a reason. So that's what I've adapted, the thought of enjoying moments. So that's it. I just want to do a nice, clean, simple vision board this year. No pictures, so I can stay focused. I like the black and white. It's classy and it's clean, and so this is it. So what are y'all focused on this year? So I'm gonna give you a close-up look, and I want to go ahead and thank everyone who's participating in the vision board challenge for 2020. I will have a link to the playlist in my description box for you guys to add your videos, and just go on there, and we can all keep each other accountable. You know, like if you are friends with someone who's in the vision board in a couple of months, you can ask them, well, how are you doing with keeping your stress down, or how's your family night going? You know, kind of keep each other accountable. You know, that's what's so good about the challenge. That's why I like doing the challenge. And I will do an updated challenge like we did last year around June to see where we are as far as keeping our goals So stay tuned for the up close. The up close of my vision board. Self-love. Getting plenty of sleep, embracing change, decreasing my stress when I can, family night, making memories with family and friends, checking on my loved ones on a regular basis, obeying God, listening more to the Holy Spirit and not my emotions, valuing my time, setting a time to be on social media because there are other things that I need to be focused on, and enjoying the moments that God has blessed me with. That's what I'm gonna be doing. So this is Miss Vee. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. What are you focused on this year? Let me know in the comment section. And this is Miss Vee. I'm gonna continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want. Thank you, and have a nice day.